Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I will show you how to make instant lemon pickle without using a single drop of oil. For that we have to take 1 dozen of lemons, pour 1 large cup of water to it. On the gas stove and boil them for 2 minutes in a high flame. Lemons contain both vitamin C and citric acid. They may protect against anemia by ensuring that you absorb as much of non-heme iron as possible from your diet. It contains potassium. Potassium lowers the blood pressure levels and have positive effect on heart health. Lemons contain vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 converts food into energy and prevents cancers. Citric acid prevents the formation of kidney stones. Contains hesperidin. It is the antioxidant which strengthens your blood vessels and prevent atherosclerosis. It contains the antioxidant diosmin. It improves muscle tone and reduces chronic inflammation in your blood vessels. It contains the antioxidant eriocitrin. It is found in lemon peel and lemon juice. The antioxidant D-limonene, which gives the aroma to the lemons. In isolation, it can relieve heartburn and stomach reflux. For taking the maximum benefit out of it, it is recommended to eat the whole fruit. Whole lemon fruit we have to eat. For making lemon pickle, I have taken 20 garlic cloves here. Garlic contains vitamin B and vitamin C, manganese, selenium, iron, copper and potassium. Garlic helps to lower blood pressure. It lowers the blood pressure. It helps quell inflammation, lowers the cholesterol, supports immune function, may reduce blood clotting, provides a host of antioxidants. Here I have taken cumin powder. Cumin is anti-cancerous in property. It contains naturally occurring substances that act as antioxidants. Help to treat diarrhea, controls blood sugar levels, fights against bacteria and parasitic infections. It has an anti-inflammatory effect. It lowers the cholesterol levels, aids in weight loss management. Here I have taken the black pepper powder. It is a versatile spice, high in antioxidants. It has anti-inflammatory properties, may benefit your brain, improves blood sugar control, lowers the cholesterol levels, contains cancer fighting properties. I am also using the red chilli powder. It helps in digestion, maintains blood pressure levels, anti-inflammatory, helps in weight loss, improves cognitive function, improves heart health. It helps in nasal congestion, builds immunity and fights against diseases. I am also using the green chilies here. It is a rich source of vitamin C, hence keeps our skin healthy and glowing. Aids in digestion because it contains very high levels of vitamin C. Green chilli is a well-known Indian food component rich in vitamin B6, vitamin A, iron, copper, potassium, small amounts of protein and carbohydrates. It is loaded with capsaicin, It helps in weight loss and increases the metabolism. It is good for diabetic patients. It takes care of the maintenance of the blood sugar levels in our body. So 2 minutes are over. Now lower the flame. We have to drain out the entire water in this. Like this we have to drain out the entire water. And again take 2 large cups of water into the vessel. And put the lemons in the vessel. Keep the flame in high and boil the lemons for 5 to 7 minutes. Here I have taken turmeric powder. Turmeric protects from cancers, depression, type 2 diabetes, viral infections, premenstrual syndrome, high cholesterol, Alzheimer's disease, arthritis, cancers, irritable bowel syndrome, headaches and acne. So get the benefits, more and more benefits of our lemon pickle by making in this method. Keep the flame in high. For 10 minutes also we can boil the lemons. Like this we have to boil the lemons. We have to boil the lemons until the lemons break out and the peel of the lemons gets thinner. See, like this we have to boil them. They are breaking out. So now turn off the gas stove. Let them cool for some time. After half an hour we will mix all the ingredients to the lemon pickle. Now half an hour is over. Let us check whether our lemons are cooled down or not. Now we have to cut them into small pieces. Let us transfer all the lemons onto the plate. And cut each of them into small pieces like this. Like this we have to cut them. Now I have cut all the lemons into small pieces. Now transfer all the pieces back into the vessel. Now we have to add 2 tablespoons of salt to it, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 20 cloves, garlic cloves, add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, black pepper, chilli powder, green chilies, and mix them all. Like this we have to mix them all. Now our instant lemon pickle is ready to taste. We have to stir it on and off for 3 days. After 3 days we have to keep it in the refrigerator. Take the required quantity and keep it outside the fridge for eating. If we maintain this procedure, we can preserve it for one year. I hope all of you would like my recipe. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep watching my channel. I will be back with one more new recipe. Thank you for watching. Now let us transfer the entire recipe into the bowl and keep it in the refrigerator.